Welcome to Tech Nation. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 20 best beauty gadgets. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Due to the fact that many people will continue to skip spas and salons for the near future, 2018 is the year to ramp up your at-home beauty routine. The days of rushing off to the salon or stylist on a whim for a haircut or a manicure are long gone. As we wait for the situation to feel more secure, why not gift your family and friends with the best beauty products to help them maintain their appearance at home? From all-in-one hairstyling tools to manicure sets, this list contains some of the most innovative items available, which your salon-deprived friends and family would appreciate. We've included both high-end and budget-friendly products. Number 20. Revlon Salon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. For the person in your life who craves a blowout but despises the hassle of doing one at home, this Revlon brush is a game changer. It's a hairdryer and stylish brush combination that eliminates the need to keep two separate styling tools simultaneously. Personally, I can attest to how genius this brush is, and almost everyone I know who has used it agrees. I used to have to spend 20 minutes trying to blow out my naturally curly hair. However, now that I've allowed it to air dry slightly, all I need to do is spend about 5 to 10 minutes with this brush to achieve that sleek, bouncy, I just came from the salon look. Number 19. Olive & June, the Studio Box. Many of us were used to daily manicures prior to the pandemic, but now you can either completely avoid salon visits or drastically and the frequency of your manicures. For someone who is always getting their nails done, this manicure kit can make doing their own nails easier. Olive & June designed a nail polish bottle handle especially for self-tanning. The smooth, wide handle provides greater control when painting your nails and is more convenient to hold than the standard polish bottle handle. Additionally, the package contains a remover pod for nail polish, a nail clipper, a file, a buffer cube, a top coat, nail polish, and a cuticle serum. Number 18. Dyson Airwrap Complete Styler. The Dyson Airwrap is equally at home as a conversation piece, as it is a hairstylist product. If you give something to a friend or family member, they will be continuously questioned about it and likely want to try it. The Airwrap tool wraps your hair automatically around the barrel, simultaneously drying and styling it. The Dyson technology dries and styles your hair using hot air rather than heating the barrel, which is said to cause less hair harm than a curling iron. While the Dyson Airwrap retails for $500, this package on Amazon includes multiple styling brush attachments and 2 separate size Airwrap barrels for $50 less than the retail price. Additionally, you receive a storage case and a pre-styling dryer attachment that allows you to remove the majority of the water from your hair prior to styling. Number 17. MannyMe Custom Fit Gel Manicure. These are not your typical self-adhesive nails. MannyMe's Custom Fit 3D technology allows each sheet of stick-on gel nails to be tailored to your unique shape. When you buy a sheet of 3D gel nails, which are available in an array of cool colors and intricate designs, you submit multiple pictures of your hands and nails. MannyMe's 3D modeling technology shapes and cuts the stick-on nails to perfectly match your own. Custom gels ship within 2 to 4 business days after you send your picture. Number 16. LUCIAID 1-inch Smart Flat Iron. Anyone who enjoys styling their hair smooth and straight but is concerned about the damage will adore this clever flat iron. The flat iron automatically changes the temperature depending on the condition of your hair, whether you color it and the length of your hair, among other factors that you enter into the smart settings. After you've entered your settings, the iron changes the heat automatically to meet your needs. You can adjust the settings over time or switch to manual mode if you prefer to adjust the heat manually. Number 15. GlowLit at Home Teeth Whitening Kit. For the person who is constantly whitening their teeth with white strips, assist them in brightening their smiles with this tech kit that amps up the teeth whitening game. The package includes a Bluetooth-enabled LED light and heat, similar to those used in advanced tooth whitening treatments. Mouthpiece that is intended to whiten teeth more quickly. The system syncs with an app, which lets you know how long and how often to use it. Get notifications when to use it, and track your teeth's whitening progress. Number 14. Carob Tool. Although the Care tool can appear to belong in a repairman's toolkit rather than on your vanity, this new device is a serious skin saver. Are you looking for an instant glow? Use it to massage in your preferred serum, thus the circulation. Do you feel the need to unwind? Glide it over your whole face, and the strategically positioned pins will stimulate acupressure points, relieving stress. Do you need depuffing? In the morning, roll the cool steel over your under eyes. All of this without the soreness associated with other facial massage instruments. Number 13. Foreo UFO. You no longer need to wait for a face mask to work. The Foreo UFO does so in just 90 seconds. From soothing heating therapy to cooling cryotherapy to LED treatments, the handheld system infuses active mask ingredients into the skin through temperature, vibrations, and light, resulting in a more successful treatment in less time. Simply attach your Foreo to the app, scan your mask, and follow the treatment that is automatically generated. It's the most decadent masking experience imaginable. Number 12. Rose Quartz Roller. The Rose Quartz Stone Roller is intended to clear the lymphatic system and stimulate circulation, making it an ideal option for depuffing and soothing inflamed skin. Roll upwards over your face to tighten pores, maximize texture, and eliminate dark circles under the eyes. Number 11. Kinetic Smooth Hair Remover and Skin Polisher. This convenient unit is equipped with two heads, one for shaving with two rotating blades and another for exfoliating. It can be used wherever hair grows to provide a non-abrasive, no-water alternative to shaving. Number 10. Mid-Frequency Body Massager Device. The Labody vibrates at 1000 Hz frequency to stimulate cellular metabolism and blood circulation. Fancy way of saying it helps you lose weight and gain muscle. It features two modes, gym and lean, as well as 6 different levels of strength. Simply apply the massage cream to the desired area, wear the unit, and adjust the amount to your preference. You may also wear it around your waist or arm for on-the-go sculpting. Number 9. Spectralite Facewear Pro. Although strapping on what appears to be a deconstructed cyborg face may seem daunting, the Spectralite Facewear Pro skincare benefits are anything but fictional. A complete range of medicinal red and blue light enhances skin texture, diminishes wrinkles, and kills acne-causing bacteria. Number 8. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. Tired, saggy eyes are a surefire way to dull even the most radiant of complexions. The Spectralite Eye Care Pro directly addresses the issue by illuminating the eyes with 72 LEDs. Simply wrap the headband around your eye region for 3 minutes to minimize wrinkles, fine lines, and crow's foot. Number 7. Trinity Facial Trainer Kit. The new Face Trinity is a vibrant system with cooling metal spheres on top that you roll over your face. Apply the hyaluronic acid primer and glide the unit along the jawline, spine, and forehead in smooth strokes. Just 5 minutes daily is said to enhance facial contour and texture, as well as diminish the appearance of wrinkles. Number 6. Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This silicone-based battery-powered face washer utilizes heat and vibration to address all of your skincare requirements. Cleanse with the bristled side in modes 1 and 2, and massage serums and creams in with the groove side in modes 3 and 4. The heated pulsation frequency aids in the stimulation of blood flow, which helps tighten skin. Number 5. Gold Sculpturing Bar. This 24-karat gold sculpturing bar vibrates across the skin to promote blood circulation. Its vibrations imitate the calming effects of micromassages, while simultaneously sculpting and lifting. Use it to smooth over tech lines on the cheeks, jawline, and spine, the wrinkles that come from looking down at phones all day. Number 4. GHD Glide Hot Brush. Since the introduction of the GHD Glide, it has been nearly impossible to obtain. The system was an immediate hit, selling out everywhere due to its simplified styling. The brush wand easily and quickly tames and straightens your hair, providing a frizz-free salon-quality look every day. Number 3. Jade Crystal Facial Roller. Facial rolling seems to be everywhere on our Instagram feeds, but what exactly does it do? By using Jade in rolling, you can increase airflow around your face and decrease puffiness by enhancing lymphatic drainage. This choice features 2 distinct sizes on either end of various areas of the face and should be used every day to see a difference in your complexion and even provide relief from headaches. Number 2. Dr. Dennis Gross DRX Spotlight Acne Treatment Device. There's nothing worse than seeing a spot appear just before a major event or interview, but this small device from Dr. Dennis Gross will help minimize inflammation. When a pimple or acne flares up, put the device on the infected area. It will release a blue LED treatment followed by a red LED treatment, which will penetrate the area and combat bacteria while also reducing redness. Additionally, the blemish reducer can help avoid scarring and potential breakouts. Number 1. Nurse Jamie Triangle Facial Beauty Tool. This facial massager from skincare specialist Nurse Jamie already has a sizable celebrity following. The groundbreaking tool utilizes sonic technology, which has a firming effect and aids in the penetration of products into the skin. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. I will reply to all of you. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.